friends, I'm back with another video. So today's video is all about this style here, this very trendy, cute style, very defined, very moisturized style that we have here. If you guys are interested and you want to see how I got the look, girl, keep on watching. You guys, I'm going to be using two of Aunt Jackie's products. I'm going to be using the coconut cream, the buttercream intensive moisture sealant. I love this. This is extreme moisture, and this is what my hair needs in these winter months because it's been trying to play me and be real dry lately. And then to set my hair, I'm going to be using my Curl Boss, the coconut curling jelly. I love these two together. Okay, this is kind of sort of like a leave-in moisture, and then this is setting my hair. It also provides moisture as well, and you can use this alone by itself. I actually had to go re-up on this product because I ran out, and Lord knows if I run out, it's a problem, honey. So I had to go re-up and buy me a new one, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna be doing a twist out, I think. And yeah, we're gonna get these curls popping and show you how I'm gonna be wearing my hair this holiday season, so I hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, so my hair has been stretched only at the top. I did not stretch the very back because I do want those curls to be nice and shrunken to just go along with the tapered shape that I have. As you can see, I added a signature braid to the side, you guys. That was a struggle because my hair is so short, but I did get that braid in there. It just adds another layer of just fabulousness to the style. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna section my hair off in 3 sections. I'm gonna put the back part in a separate section, and then this top part I am going to split in 2 because you'll see why a little later. But I'm going to take this front section and I'm going to start off with my buttercream intensive moisture sealant. I'm going to apply that all over my hair. Like I said, this is going to give me the moisture that I want. And then I'm just going to part off a section, and then I'm going to apply my Curl Boss. And once I apply my Curl Boss, I'm only applying a small amount. You don't need much. And then I'm just going to do a flat twist out going forward. You guys know, if you've been here rocking with me, you know my flat twist out method. I always braid the front of my hair forward. Basically, I flat twist the way that I want my hair to lay. So I want it to come towards my face. So I'm just flat twisting this first section forward. So I think I had about 6 flat twists going forward. So yeah, you guys continue to watch as I do this. And now that I've completed my flat twist, by the way, they look nice and juicy, yes. I am going to work on this middle section, and this middle section is called the transition section. This section is going to allow me to fill in any gaps right there in my crown. If I would have flat twisted all of this going forward and then the back part going back, I would have had a gap in the middle of my head. So I always do these 2 transition braids just to kind of fill in the gaps, you know, to keep the shape of my taper cut. So I'm doing the same thing. I applied my buttercream, and then I applied a small amount of the Curl Boss curling jelly, and then I'm just flat twisting over to the side. And I'm going to do that twice, as you see here. All right, you guys, and for the back, I just did individual 2-strand twist. I saturated my hair with water to do this because this is the section I want to shrink up. So once my hair is dry, it didn't take very long to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel my flat twist, and I was totally shook by the definition. My hair is not crunchy. The Curl Boss does not leave crunchiness to your hair. You don't need a lot, so a little goes a long way, but my hair is super defined, super shiny and moisturized, and there is no crunch, but there is a light hold to my hair. So I know that this set is going to last me more than a few days. So I'm just going to continue to unravel, and then you guys know the deal. I'm going to be taking my pick and raising the roots. And look at that definition though, and the body that came with it. Oh, it's so pretty. So now I'm going to take my pick and just raise at those roots, you guys. I'm going to create the shape that I want. And as you can see, those 2 transition braids fills it in nicely, right? So yeah, I'm going to keep picking away, pulling, and just shaping my hair the way that I want to shape it. So you guys, I've been using the Coconut Cream collection by Aunt Jackie's here recently, especially since I colored my hair. It's very important that I use products with no sulfates as well as no color dyes, because I don't want the color to kind of dull out my color. Even though I have a semi-permanent color in, these definitely help to ensure that I don't, do any unnecessary fading of my hair color. I already have to wash it because it's semi-permanent, but these products allowed me to keep my color nice and preserved. All right, you guys, I wanted to pop back on here. It is the following day, day 2. I wanted to pop back on here and show you guys my hair because I just got back from the barbershop. I had to go get a lineup because the lineup wasn't as crispy as I usually like it. So I went ahead and went to the barbershop and got myself a line up. He did an amazing job, and I wanted to just pop back on here and show you guys what the hairstyle looks like now that I'm freshly lined up, Keep in mind that it is raining outside here in Louisville, Kentucky, and this is second day hair, and my hair got a little bit frizzy, but can y'all see how the curling jelly still held my hair together, like through it all, through the elements outside? My hair is still nice and defined. It's still shiny. It's still moisturized. So kudos to my curling jelly, honey, the curl boss, keeping my hair together through these elements, honey. And yesterday, my makeup was trash. Okay, let's just all be real. My makeup was trash, so I had to redeem myself, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a twirl so you can see what he did. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Remember that you can find all of Aunt Jackie's products at auntjackiescurlsandcoils.com. You can search the store locator to see where the products are in your area. And as always, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.